Air pollution is the alternation of the normal concentration of gases due to the contamination with the harmful substances. Air is vital for the entire organism in the earth, including human. Oxygen, which is vital for life, is mixed in air. Due to air pollution, various respiratory diseases is creating havoc around the globe. The problem is severe in urban cities. Millions of immature deaths around the globe take place due to air pollution. Annually, more than 5 trillion economic loss is indicated due to air pollution. Narrow alternation in normal concentration of gases can be catastrophic to biota. Let's take an example of the oxygen we breathe. Its concentration in the air are 21%. A rise in the level of oxygen to 30% create inferno as oxygen helps in burning. Further lowering of the oxygen concentration to 10% can create a situation in which it is impossible to burn any matter. Normally, it is often heard that dilution is the solution of pollution. This term applies only in the moderation. Due to inversion, which prevents the vertical mixing of air, the effect of air pollution is increased drastically. Inversion is the condition in which warmer air lies at the top of cool air. Fact about air pollution causes: automobile emission from the fossil fuel, emission from the factory, pollen, dust, volcano, forest fire, dust storm, etc. Both the natural and anthropogenic sources trigger the air pollution. Particles. Particles are of serious health concern as they have a lot of noisome effect on human health. A particle less than 2.5 micrometer get dissolved in the blood and excreted by the body. Particle less than 10 and 2.5 can create lots of noisome due to the effective deposition and load. Particles higher than 10 micrometer get settled by their dry deposition within few hours of emission. Particles can originate naturally from the storm, volcanic eruption, fire, etc., and artificially by the coal combustion, vehicle combustion, etc. Acid rain. This is due to the emission of sulfur and nitrogen oxide, which create the acid in atmosphere and falls to the earth as precipitation. Due to the acid content in the acid rain, there has been a massive destruction of the building and monuments. Traditional monuments get damaged by the acid rain, which can be devastating. Primary and secondary pollutant. Primary pollutants are those emitted directly in the atmosphere. The primary pollutants are the gases from the volcanic eruption, carbon monoxide from the emission of alcohol. Secondary pollutants are like the formation of ozone in the Earth's surface. Indoor air pollution. It is generally believed that indoor pollution is 1,000 times higher than outdoor pollution. The asbestos from the carpet, formaldehyde from the plywood, lead from the paint are frequently encountered indoor pollution. Indoor cooking, mostly in the rural part, spraying chemicals without the prior ventilation can be worse. Preventive measure: using less fossil fuel, renewable energy, electricity, efficient technology that emit less pollution, law to control unwanted emission of different types, awareness of the public, especially educate education to the children, can be effective in the controlling air pollution.